Let's talk about strategy, something that most organizations are not particularly good at. Of all the companies that have a well-formulated strategy, only 10% are able to actually deliver on this strategy. 90% fail. Why is this? I believe that most strategies are not very well developed, they're not very well understood and not very well communicated. So what I help organizations do is we will take the strategic goals and then map them into a one-page plan that will clearly articulate, why do you exist? What do you have to be really good at? What are the key drivers of success? And I actually take an apple tree as the analogy. So if you think about your business as an apple tree, the first thing you have to answer is, why do we have this tree? So what's your mission, your purpose, and where do you want to get to? And then you need to figure out, okay, now we know where we exist. We might want to make money, or we want to deliver on some government goals. Now we need to figure out what apples we want to grow. Are there red apples, green apples, what kind of taste or shape? So these are your deliverables to your customers. So you figure out, what is my customer value proposition, what products and services am I going to sell and to who. Once you're clear about this, you then need to look at your branches and the trunk of the tree and figure out, okay, in order to deliver those products and services, what do I have to be really good at? What are my core competencies, the things I have to excel at as an organization? And they're usually between 3 and 5 things. But then there's something else, because when you first look at a tree, you see the trunk, you see the foliage, the apples. What you don't see is the stuff underneath the ground. And we all know that there's a root system that is vitally important. And the same is true for businesses. So in businesses, we have what we call intangibles, some of the hidden drivers of performance. Do I have the right people with the right skills and competencies? Do I have the right IT systems and infrastructure? Do I have the right culture and leadership? And what we do is we look at all those layers and then map out what are the strategic goals. And then having this on a one-page plan allows you to have this blueprint that then allows you to communicate to everyone very clearly what the goals are. And then you can create action plans that will help you deliver against those strategic goals. And you can develop measures that will help you track your progress. And this is exactly what I do with organizations. If you want to learn anything more about strategy execution, a plan on a page, have a look on my website at bernardmarr.com, where you can find tons of articles and white papers on how to do this in practice.